Welcome to December 5th and the study of Advent that I'm doing today. And the verse for today, it's from Isaiah, the book of Isaiah, chapter 11, verses 1 through 5. A branch from David's line. And there shall come forth a rod out of the stem of Jesse, and a branch shall grow out of his roots. And the Spirit of the Lord shall rest upon him, the Spirit of wisdom and understanding, the Spirit of counsel and might, the Spirit of knowledge and of the fear of the Lord. And shall make him of quick understanding in the fear of the Lord. And he shall not judge after the sight of his eyes, neither reprove after the hearing of his ears. But with righteousness shall he judge the poor, and reprove with equity for the meek of the earth. And he shall smite the earth with the rod of his mouth, and with the breath of his lips shall he slay the wicked. And righteousness shall be the girdle of his loins, and faithfulness the girdle of his reins. For my service project today, it's something for our family, and I'd like to go back to the first verse. And there shall come forth a rod out of the stem of Jesse, and a branch shall grow out of his roots. And think about family and how grateful I am for our blended family of children and grandchildren, and what an honor it is to be a grandparent and to have stepchildren. It is such an honor. And I'm going to make a grandparent love bag. Not necessarily a diaper bag, but for all ages and for our adult children who sometimes need a little something. I'm going to put in there diapers, wipes, diaper rash, Neosporin, Arnica gel, which is really good for bruises and little aches and pains sometimes for adults, a bottle of water, a couple of healthy nutrition bars, and a couple of board books, and a little stuffed animal. And I'm going to try to think of a couple of other things for our adult children, sometimes when they just need a little something. And I plan to carry that around with us in our truck, and to have it available for if any of our children need us for their children, that we always have it available and ready. Have fun deciding what you would like to do today, and lots of opportunities from this, but have a blessed and beautiful December 5th. Thank you.